And it's Psalms 13, and it's really short, but I felt like I should read it tonight. And it says, "How long, O Lord, will you forget me forever? How long will you hide your face from me? How long shall I take counsel in my soul, having sorrow in my heart daily? How long will my enemy exult over me? Consider and hear me, O my Lord, enlighten my eyes, lest I sleep in the sleep of death. Lest my enemies say, I have prevailed against him. Lest those who trouble me rejoice when I am moved. But I have trusted in your mercy. My heart shall rejoice in your salvation. I will sing to the Lord because he has dealt bountifully with me." And just the end of that chapter shows that no matter what you're going through and how hard it is, he is there and he's sovereign and he will pull you through it and he's going to make beauty from your ashes. So when you sat down, you probably found a little index card. Most of them were bright colored, and a pen. If you can get those out, these next two songs are going to play back to back. And I just ask that whatever you're going through, if it's been in the past or it's in the present, I just want you to write it down. If it was something that is similar to what I'm going through, or if it's something that you've never even told anyone and it's really hard for you, I wanted you to just write it down, and you don't even have to let anyone see it. And when this is all over, we're going to go and we're going to have a little fire going. And Dad, if you could go get that started. I know I should have told you like sooner. But we're going to go up there and we're basically just going to burn those as a symbol of God taking those ashes and taking those and releasing them to Him. And then we're going to, and then we're going to have a little surprise of an example of how God can take those ashes and trade them for beauty. All right, so these next two songs are called In My Memories Until the End.
Tears spill through, can almost see you smiling down.